Hello again, YouTubes and Facebooks and TikToks and Instagrams and Rumble followers. We're back here with the big coils. Same park we've been hitting the past couple of days. One of my first targets coming out of here is going to be an old, looks like 1948 wheat penny. So we know we got the old targets out here. So close to the silver, only about 5 feet away from the other hole. This is going to be a 1966 dime. We want the 64 and olders for the 90% silvers, but still a coin. Interesting, heavy find. This one has a cutout on one side, but not the other. I mean, it almost looks like it would be the size of like a radiator cap, but then the bottom does not match up with that. She's not magnetic, so it seems copper, and I don't see any logo coming through that, so unsure what it is, but she was about 10 inches in the ground there. Well, apparently in this part of the park, this is the place to drop 1967 coins, just beyond my 64 silvers, but we love quarters no matter what they are. Another dark weedy, unknown year, as it's pretty much blacked out on this side, but you can just make out the 1 cent and the wreaths on the bottom. So another weedy for the pile. And you don't have to be in the middle of the field all the time to find old stuff. Right near this baseball field, right behind the fences bleachers, I just found a 1941 wheat penny. Quite a shiny one too, so there is a chance it was more of a modern drop, as it hasn't been as decayed as the other ones I've been pulling out. Well, this might be one of the last targets, as we're losing daylight here within about half an hour. But we keep getting closer and closer to silver year 1965. It's going to be 1 year away from silver. That's why this guy's all red instead of bright and shiny. But these fields are full of coins, so you definitely know we'll be back. Just like I said before, 1967 appears to be the coins we're getting here. This one is probably the reddest quarter I found, but I can just make out the 1967 at the bottom. Alright, this is getting ridiculous. If I find one more 1967 quarter, I'm gonna flip out. What did people do here? Try to abolish change? Just tossing it all willy-nilly about the field? It's almost every single coin I'm pulling up is a 1967. Oh why must everything be a 1969 quarter instead of a 64 silver? I guess that's the breaks out here in Parkland. Alright, we'll try this again. I got a bag full of junk. You've all seen junk, can slaw, stuff like that, so I won't pull all that out. I did get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 quarters, looks like about 7 dimes, and a mixture of pennies, everything that's copper, clads, and I know I got a couple of old Wheaties in there, especially this one, that 1941, that looks really nice and clean. You don't see them like that too much coming out of the ground. Anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and get these things back, get them all cleaned up, see if I got anything special that I can't see through the crust on the surface, and I gotta go get some food to bring home to Corey, so I'll see you guys next time.